There's my Ray Ray. There's Ray Ray with his mama.
Look at him.
Look at Ray Ray with his mama. Yeah, mama.
No kisses.
No kisses. Oh, Ray Ray. Ray Ray's out here with us tonight in the shop. He's been hanging out in the shop. What are you doing, bud? Hey, right here. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Oh, who's a good boy? Look at him. Look at this guy right here. Look at him. Mr. Bud, Mr. Bud. Mr. Bud, Mr. Bud. He's going to jump on me. All right, great. All right, guys, we're going to have an unboxing here. Shalene's going to undo her JDM, whatever, racing beats. Exhaust. Ray Ray's going to help her.
You going to help me, buddy? I need a knife.
So, oh, we need a knife. She's going to go get a knife. Okay, here we go. Ray, get in there and help her. Get in there and get her. Get her, Ray Ray. Fuck that thing up, Ray Ray. Get that box. Get that box, Ray Ray. Look at Ray Ray. He's going to get that thing. He's going to get it, Ray Ray. Don't paw your mama. He's going to paw you. All right, we're opening this thing. It's a Racing Beats. Exhaust.
Full exhaust system.
Full exhaust system.
Yeah.
Header and all?
Yes.
Header and all. Two mufflers? I don't know if it's two mufflers. Is it two mufflers or one muffler? It's two mufflers. It's two into one?
UPS,
or it's one into two? I don't know. I have a video of her waiting with a pitchfork outside. She was like a kid on Christmas morning. I might put that in here. I might throw that little skid bit that I got of her standing there, all kinds of bummed out, like somebody just ate her ice cream.
They were supposed to be here early. Hey, get back here.
Ray's taking off with the paper.
Ray.
Ray, come here, buddy. Don't tear it all up. He's out there tearing it up. All right, we're going to show you Ray Ray for a minute. See Ray Ray? There's Ray Ray out there. Ray, don't. Come on, buddy. Leave it. You're going to eat it? He's going to eat it before she gets there. He's going to eat it. Come on, Ray Ray. Get in here. All right, we're going to get back to this. Come on in here, bud. Come on, you can get another piece. Get that piece over there.
Ray, you want to get this? Oh.
Don't take it outside. He's going to take it outside. He's going to take it outside. All right. Ray Ray's going to eat some paper, I guess, tonight. All right, here we go. This is what we're waiting for. Oh, stainless?
Stainless?
It is stainless. Look at that, guys. Look at Ray Ray getting in there, huh?
I guess I gotta take.
Ray, come here. There's more.
I gotta take this bubble wrap off.
Ray, come here.
So we can see it.
Ray, come here. Come here. Get in here. You gotta grab some more in a second, buddy. Get that. Yeah, get that stuff right there, Ray. Pull that off of there, buddy. Get that, bud.
Get it, buddy.
He's trying. He's trying. He's like, all right, you give it to me. I'll take it. All right, I'll take this one right there. Get that, Ray Ray. Come on, grab that sucker. Ray Ray's going to unwrap it for him.
Hey. You're going to get... Oh, no. And there it is.
There it is. Heck yeah, look at that, guys. I'm going to boost this up a little bit. There we go.
So boost it up.
Yeah, a little bit.
All right. One thing I did not think of.
Was there a header in there? Well, what else is there?
I need somewhere to set this...
Just stand it up behind you. There you go. Ray Ray's going to tear it up. All right, so it looks like it's a 2-into-1 deal. I don't know what that thing is. That goes at the back of the car? No. I don't know how this stuff works. I think that goes in the middle of the car.
It's towards the back.
I think there's 2 more mufflers in there. I don't know how this works.
Ray.
Ray. Ray's going to get that piece of paper.
Okay, here's that.
What is that? That's a header. You know what that is. Whoa.
Buddy.
Okay. Oh, boy.
I think I need to put this somewhere else.
I'll take it over here.
Ray's being a little bit too helpful.
Oh, because you had it on the phone end.
Because I didn't want to scratch it all up or dent it or ding it.
Okay, well, there you go.
Ray would have knocked it over anyway.
All right, we got a header coming out of wrapper.
Do I want to take it out of the bubble wrap now?
Yeah, it's an unboxing. Cut that sucker open, man. Let's see what we got. Okay. Well, let's see what you got. It's not we. This is all her. She's the Mazda Queen or whatever. Rx-7. Oh, look at her stab herself. She's going to stab herself with a knife.
Probably.
There's an emergency room video here, I'm pretty sure. Ray, get over here. Don't be growling out there. Ray's running out to growl at something.
Ray, I thought you were helping, buddy.
Get over here, Ray. Come on.
He's watching out.
He's watching out. He's doing his job, I guess, yeah. All right. I think she gave up on that knife too soon. That's Little Pit barking. She comes out the front door and then barks at the back door. Even though the front door is open. I don't know if you guys can hear her. Maybe she'll come out and see us. Probably not.
Oh, I probably shouldn't put that there because...
It's all right. Ray will get it.
All right.
What's that thing?
Probably for sensor.
Oh, no. I don't know what that is. Why does it have a tube on it, guys?
Look how pretty it is.
It is pretty. It has an O2 bung in it, but I don't know what that little tube is for.
It's beautiful. This, I'm guessing, is O2.
That's O2. Yeah. What's that other thing? Some kind of emission shit?
Or maybe for an aftermarket thing?
Who knows?
I don't know. That's pretty though.
It is pretty.
It is.
Let's go close up. Yeah, we're gonna bring that over
Yeah,
here.
look at these welds.
Yeah, look at the stainless steel welds.
They're beautiful welds.
She's gonna have to. You're gonna have to hold that so I can tell you where to go.
All right.
Look at that weld right there. Nice. Look at the welds on these flanges up here. Are they, it's not. Yeah, it's okay. It kind of shows it. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Those are beautiful welds.
They are. They're really nice welds. Even on this end, nice welds everywhere. That's pretty sweet. I like it.
Very nice.
I like how thick that flange is. Ray, get it. Here comes Ray. Ray's coming in. This dude's like a wrecking ball. He just took off with some paper. Ray, come over here, buddy. Ray, come in here.
Hey, buddy. You gonna help me?
Ray, come on, get in here. Ray, get in here. Help Mama out. Give him something. He's taking that piece. We can't see it. He's tearing it up. We're missing it. Oh, there he goes. He just took off with some more shit.
All right, we have...
Ray!
Slide this out. We have a...
Oh, okay. See, so there's
pipe?
3. Okay, yeah, Y pipe. I think there's 3 mufflers. I think that first piece we put over there was a muffler or something.
Even very nice welds on.
Yes. All the hangers look nice. It looks nice.
Very nice.
We like it.
We love it.
So I think that first muffler is, or whatever that thing is, goes to that Y pipe, and then I think there's 2 mufflers in there. And I think that's going to be the whole kit, maybe? I'm thinking there's 2 mufflers in there. Unless there's no mufflers and it's just like tailpipes or something. The car used to have 2 mufflers at each end. Yeah, see? It's going to have 2 more mufflers. It's going to have 2 mufflers.
Yes.
Plus that other thing. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
That's pretty nice looking stuff. You can just unwrap one of them. They're both going to be the same. And leave the other one wrapped if you want.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Tear that sucker open. Where's your knife?
Yeah, so that then, oh, you know
That
what?
goes in the middle of the car underneath,
That's
I think.
the-
A resonator or whatever?
Yeah, pre-silencer,
Pre-silencer.
I think that's what it's called. I don't know.
Ooh,
I
pre-silencer.
don't know.
This thing's so badass it needs to be suppressed. Look at the stainless, man. They spent some time polishing that shit. That's some shiny stuff.
Yeah. I need that knife back.
Well, you put it behind you. Ray, come here. Ray. Go get some of that stuff, Ray. Don't get the little tiny piece. Take that outside. Get it, Ray. Ray's gonna get it now. Ray's getting it. Look at him. Get it, Ray. Get it. Get that shit, Ray. Get it. You helping Mama? You gonna help her or what? We gonna get it? All right. Ray's in there just tearing it up. He's just tearing it up to wreck it. Tear stuff up now. Yeah, buddy. Get that stuff, Ray. You gonna take it outside so we have to pick up 9,000 pieces in the yard? Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
Get it, Ray.
All right, and here we go. Now we have a muffler.
Okay, there's our muffler. Look how shiny. That's pretty shiny. They did a nice job polishing that. Nice looking tips on that thing.
Very nice.
It is. It's not bad. Look at that. Heck yeah. Look at that, guys.
I need help holding it if we're gonna.
All right, if we're gonna show it.
Yeah.
This got a nice looking weld.
Very nice weld.
Very nice weld.
Beautiful.
Very polished. Very polished. Yeah. And it has nice looking hangers like all welded on there. I hope they line up with the factory stuff.
Look at it all dirty already.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wipe all the fingerprints, but here you go. Okay, and I think, oh, and it's, look at it's engraved. We used to do that kind of stuff.
We still do.
We still do, but we don't really, yeah. Look at that racing beat. Laser engraved. Pretty awesome. They're doing that with a fiber laser, though, because if they did it with a YAG laser, it would have come out black. There goes Ray Ray. He's just taking off with some. We'll find that in the yard tomorrow.
No,
Tear it up, Ray Ray.
pretty much in one spot.
One spot. Yeah, all right, cool. I think we have one left, and that's it, guys. And we're gonna have to get Shalina's what she thinks of the kit now, and then when we install it, because if it turns into a nightmare installing it.
We can leave that other one in here.
All right, we're gonna leave the other. Is there gaskets? Did they give us any gaskets? Any bolts, hardware? What do we got?
Good question.
We're looking for bolts and hardware. Or
There we go.
Well, look at this shit, dude. They got us. They gave it. They hooked us up. All right, so what's the? Yeah, we got the manifold. This is what blew out on the GXL. She did a video on that. I don't know if it ever made YouTube or not. I videoed it. I think I edited it, but I don't think it ever made it. Man, we got everything. There's everything. Everything is in here. All right, so what's your okay, so first bang for the buck. Was it worth the money?
Well,
What do you think? I don't remember. I don't know what this cost, and I don't know if you want to say what it cost. Whatever.
I just hope it sounds good.
Okay, because okay. She's a little bit nervous about how loud this is or isn't going to be because we don't know. And you buy stuff. It's not like you can go down to your local meet and find an Rx-7 because they don't exist. So you're buying it, and hopefully it's it's not like totally obnoxious. Well, quiet, or whichever way it wants to go. But so your thoughts so far are good quality, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think the quality looks.
How much was it? Do we care?
Um.
It was more than $1,000, right?
Yeah, it was over 1,000.
Okay, so
For the whole system, yeah.
so far for $1,000, I mean a header,
It was more
all
than
the stuff. I think, huh?
It was more than 1,000, like 12 to 1,500.
Okay, so 12 to 1,500 a header, all the stuff, all the hardware. I don't think it's a bad deal in my eyes. If we put it together on the car and it's a nightmare and it fits like shit, we're gonna let you guys know. In fact, there'll probably be a video of her assembling this on the car anyway. So, because we have a motor down here, we'll give you a sneak peek of what happened here tonight at Selena Land with the Rx-7. We put the tranny on the motor. This is her rebuilt motor. We put a new slave cylinder for the clutch. So she's going to clean this, and then we're going to figure out what we're doing for paint, and then this motor is going to go in that car there. Hopefully tomorrow, and then that'll be it. All right, guys.
See ya.
See ya. All right. Like, share, subscribe. Selena waiting for Rx-7 parts. Worse than a critter on Christmas morning. Waiting for delivery driver. She's going to kill him.